Hi, Russell.
I like my hair.
I do. I love your hair. Why are you sitting on a crab?
I don't know. Oh, Kitty yesterday said something about a lobster song. I think it's a lobster.
There is.
Yeah.
Can you sing it?
Nope, no clue.
Okay, this tree makes you happy, but...
Oh, yeah.
Well...
Look at my tail.
Well, yeah, but... Go ahead. Go ahead and take it. Yeah, come on.
I don't know.
Come on, come on. Oh, come on. What?
I like it on a silver spoon, Joy.
Sorry.
Oh, you got one here?
We don't have any of those.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm having a good time, but look at my hair.
Your hair is fluffy.
Yeah, you can like put mousse on it and stuff. You could probably change directions of it too.
You think?
Yeah, so if you like, have a daughter that likes to play with hair, look at this. I could wear barrettes and ribbons and mousse and
You're
all
a
kinds
boy.
of stuff. Who cares?
Oh.
I think I'm easygoing.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.